What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. Keep subscribing. So today we are going straight to the point. We are doing a video about tips for successful stock market investing. Very simple tips where you're supposed to just follow. It's basically like common sense for if you want to invest in the stock market, whether it's in Kenya, whether it's in the US, okay? So number one tip is to actually create a defense mechanism. Before you start investing, you need to have a defense team. A defense team is like having a backup emergency funds. Before you invest, make sure you have enough emergency fund to cover your expenses from 3 months to 12 months or to 6 months. Make sure you save up some money for your emergency. Do not invest your money if you don't have any savings to cushion you from any sort of emergencies. Okay, very few people have saved some money for the emergency. Probably you've saved like 100k or 50k or 10k. So investing is for someone who at least has saved some emergency fund for themselves. Do not go investing without any. Even in a football team, you're supposed to be prepared. If you want to strike more goals, you have to make sure everyone is fit. Everyone has a backup. There are subs, backup subs, just in case one gets down, hurt. They can actually come in and save the whole situation. So do not start investing without your saved up emergency funds. Okay, don't go that route. The next thing is to always buy low when the stocks are low. Some stocks are high, but at the same time, you can buy anytime because the market is going up, the market is going down. You never know. Never ever time the market. If someone is telling you, oh, you can time the market, wait for it. Like right now, the whole pandemic has caused everyone to actually fear, like you don't want to invest because you think, oh, the market is too hot right now. But I will tell you for a fact, the markets are different from different economies. Like in Kenya, of course, we've seen a company like Uchumi go from 40 bucks to zero. Yeah. And we've seen a company like Safaricom go from 4 shillings to right now it's at 41 bob. Okay. So do your due diligence before you even go ahead and invest. The market sometimes when you follow up these companies, sometimes you actually get to see where the company is heading to when you look at the fundamentals of these companies, the management of these companies, their financial records. You will get to know where the company is heading to. So buy the stock when it's low and sell when it's high. Of course, this is for the Kenyan market. You can actually do that because there's nothing going on around investing and retirement. But for the US market, you're supposed to actually buy the stock and keep it and allow compound interest to actually give you all the benefits. Okay, compound interest continues to multiply your money every single minute, every single year, and that money is what you're going to use for your retirement. Okay, with the 401ks, retirement accounts and all that. But for Kenya, you actually can buy low and sell. Okay, because of course there's some taxes that are involved and the interest, but because the economy is not set up like the US, so these are two different things. So once you start this way, buy low, sell high. When you go to the US, buy and keep it. That is how you're going to generate your income. And that's why these people in the US are focused mostly on generational wealth. Here in Kenya is just quick money. Get some money, go buy some land or lot or a shamba somewhere. Again, buy low, get some profit, go invest in something, a property, something that will generate income and also build up the income so that you can create passive income with other things like rental, real estate, some passive income from your assets. Okay, And the third one is to always make sure you follow the news. Hey, you cannot invest or you cannot get into the economic space investing and say you're an investor if you don't follow the news. Yeah, you have to follow the news. The news is where you can actually see where the companies are going to, where the companies are actually, if they're making losses or profit. You always have to watch business news on the internet and see what's happening. Which partnership deals are they making? Which what are the employees saying? Are the employees happy in such companies? Are there any strikes looming for this company? What are the products they're trying to make? For example, we know like Safaricom is venturing into the Ethiopian telecommunication sector. What does that mean for this company in the next 10 years? Look at it in the long term. Don't look at it like tomorrow. No, in the long term, both markets, because this is where you actually analyze the whole thing and then you're able to make a decision on whether to actually invest in that company. Pretty much easy. Look at East African breweries, EABL in Kenya, for example. EABL is one of the best stocks you can actually invest in, because we know very well our country is a drinking nation, right? You're a drinking nation, and you know very well once the lockdown is over and this pandemic thing that is going on is over, people are gonna hit the club. And you know very well when you hit the club, more money, more cash flow goes into the alcohol, goes into products that are from the East African EABL brand, which is of course alcohol, spirits, whiskeys, whatever, all those things. So it means, what does it mean for this company? It means that the company has enough cash flow to actually attract more investors, and in the end you get more dividends. Okay, so the fundamentals are, when you think about a company, you look at all these things. What are you hearing in the news? What can you see? Like for example, we all know Kenya Airways, seriously the only monopoly in Kenya, the airline business. They're actually suffering from losses. Why are they suffering from losses? Number one, we know the previous CEOs, what they did to the money. We know all the money got lost somewhere. Imagine a whole airline that has, like, it's the only airline in the country, but they're making 8 billion losses, 8 billion Kenya shillings. Imagine, that's ridiculous. Okay, so when you look at all that, of course you wouldn't want to invest in something like that company, because you know very well corruption is deeply rooted in the company's management system. Never go to such companies. Always make sure you go to companies where you can actually see it in the news. You can see their cash flow and the bank statement that they are actually making profit. KCB, the bank has its branches all over sub-Saharan Africa. I am teaching you this because this is what you're supposed to actually find out before you start investing. So those are my 3 best tips for successful stock market investing. Okay, so I'll see you in another video for more information about stock investing and how you can create more passive income for yourself. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, like this video. I'll appreciate. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.